Mummy, I'll get you mem in a few minutes, okay? Okay, baby. Okay, I know you're hungry. I know you're hungry, baby. You just let me know, okay? Just tap on my back. Okay, and let me know. Say I'm hungry. And I'll get you mem, okay? Hi, Mummy. Alright. You're hungry? You just tap on my back and you let me know, okay? That you're hungry, okay, baby? Okay? Whenever you're hungry, just tap on my back and let me know you're hungry, okay, baby? What is it, baby? What do you want, Mama? You're hungry? Okay. I'll get you mem in a few minutes, okay? Okay, just remind me and tap me on my back, okay? You just tap me on my back, remind me and I'll get you mem, okay? If I don't get you mem in a few minutes, you just tap on my back and remind me, okay? Oh, sorry, I forgot, Mummy. You want mem, right? I know you're hungry. Okay, I'm gonna get you mem in a few minutes, okay? But if I forget, you just tap on my back and tell me, let me know, okay, that you are hungry, and I'll get you mem, okay, baby? Just in case I forget, tap on my back, okay? Oh, sorry, Mummy. I totally forgot about your mem. I'm gonna get your meal right now, okay? But if I forget, you just tap on my back once more, okay, baby? Alright. Oh, Mummy, I'm so sorry. I apologize. I'm gonna get your mem right now. I'm not gonna make you wait anymore, okay, baby? I'm not gonna make you wait anymore. I'm not gonna make you wait anymore. I'm sorry, Mummy. You know, I didn't forget. I didn't forget. And I'm gonna get your mem right now. Okay, my lovely baby. Okay, my lovely baby. Okay, my lovely baby. I'm gonna get your mem right now. There you go, baby. There you get your mem. There you get your mem. Come on, there you get your mem. There you get your mem. Get your mem. Enjoy. Enjoy. Enjoy.